keeping the wolves, Yang would now ironically seek the help of women. To be able to strive for a balance in life's forces, he would have to prepare.
Master, what are the Kung Fu forms? Please teach me.
Why do you ask me such things? I am a humble cook. Kung Fu is noble art. Besides, what gives you the idea that I can help you?
Many people have told me that you know Kung Fu better than anyone in Chinatown.
I don't know what you're talking about.
You know Kung Fu, the Golden Dragon Raising Head of Manchurian Sky Peak. Master, you are Haisin Cao, the master of the fantastic Kung Fu.
How do you know about this?
I've heard from my Japanese Kung Fu master.
Yin was also preparing and freeing herself from the burdens of her former life.
The Kung Fu master of Fuji Mountain. His name is Chao Su.
Oh, he's my friend. If you want to learn how to fight, there's a high price to pay.
Wonderful master. Will you please teach me?
I will teach you Kung Fu. I will teach you Golden Dragon Racing Head. And we're going to leave right now. But you will have to prepare. I want you to run fast all the way to Bear Mountain. And then wait there.
Wonderful master. Your student kneels respectfully.
Don't do that.
Thank you, master.
Remember, I'm your master. You have to meet master. And you must run there.
Yes, master. I will run to Bear Mountain.
告诉你，吼吼吼，还不要急，哈哈哈，我要爱你，是为快乐的你，笑眯眯呀，笑眯眯，甜蜜蜜呀，甜蜜蜜，要永远永远生活在一起，要不断不断努力再努力，嘿嘿嘿，我告诉你。再告诉你，哈哈哈，我要爱你，是为勇敢的你。嘿嘿嘿，我告诉你，吼吼吼，先不要急，哈哈哈，我要爱你，是为勇的你。告诉你，吼吼吼，不要急，哈哈哈，我要爱你，
Astyr. How did you get here so fast?
I fly with the wind.
I've done your bidding.
Now I teach you Golden Dragon Racing Head. I fly with the wind.